What if learning math and science wasn't about memorizing facts, but discovering how the world works through English? Introducing I Learn English for Science and I Learn English for Math, a 5-level series for primary school students aiming to build a strong foundation in mathematical and scientific vocabulary, language, and concepts in English, with topics mapped to the Vietnamese national curricula. Built on the CLIL approach, the series focus on helping students understand and use English naturally while learning age-appropriate science and math content. Let's take a closer look at I Learn English for Science. In this series, there are 4 main activities per lesson. Part A, Vocabulary. Part B, Key Language and Concept. Part C and D, Practice activities. Part A provides 4 to 6 key words with supporting flashcards and audio.
Listen, point and repeat. 1.
Seaweed.
2.
Rice.
3.
Duckweed.
4.
Bamboo.
Part B uses eye-catching visuals to introduce the language structure and concepts. Part C and D provide various activities to reinforce concepts and practice key language. Finally, the challenge lessons help learners to review vocabulary, language, and concepts through engaging activities. Next, let's have a look at I Learn English for Math. Each book consists of 5 units, each with 3 lessons. Students explore topics such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, measurements, time, charts, and more. For each lesson, students will be given keywords, language structure, and aims. The series provides clear learning objectives, age-appropriate content, and engaging activities to build knowledge and English skills step by step. Part A, Vocabulary, providing keywords with supporting flashcards and audio.
Listen, point and repeat.
Equal to.
Part B, Key Language and Concepts, with audio and keywords highlighted. Practice activities, a variety of activities to reinforce concepts and practice key language, including matching, tracing, calculations, and word problems. Each book features a picture dictionary that includes all key vocabulary, while English for Math also has a how-to guide, which is a step-by-step resource designed to help students and teachers understand core math concepts. The components include the Student's Book, e-Student's Book, and digital home activities for students to review at home.
Fish. Mammal.
For teachers, Teacher's Book, audio, flashcards, and digital classroom resources featuring extra activities and games. This is the Science and Math books for English teachers everywhere.